Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing another review video. This specific review video is all about Gazelle. Gazelle is a website where you can buy and sell phones, and I'm here today to tell you if Gazelle is worth it, if it's a scam, or if it is actually legit. Stick around to the end of this video to find all that out and more. I will be sharing my Gazelle experience and I hope you enjoy. About a year ago, I needed a new phone. I was interested in getting the iPhone 11, but then I realized that the iPhone 12 was coming out very soon. I didn't want to use my upgrade from Verizon and then have to deal with the fact that I will not be able to get the newer phone when it comes out. So I decided to buy a cheaper, less new phone on Gazelle. Use that for a year, then when the 12 comes out, buy the 12 on Gazelle and sell the XS Max back to Gazelle. When I got my cell phone, I really didn't know what to expect. Ignore my face, I have no makeup on. I basically turned my phone on, I set it up, turned the phone off, inserted the SIM card, turned it back on, and everything's great. Things are working out. My contacts are all in the phone. I sent a text message. I haven't tried to make a call yet. Oh, I got the text. One thing I will say is that this phone feels a little bit hot, like right here. The temperature of the phone, it feels like a device that has been overworked or on for a long time, and I just had it on for a few seconds. Maybe that's just how it's gonna be, which is kind of weird and definitely sends a red flag to me. I don't want my phone blowing up in my pocket. I don't know, I feel like that happened at one point, right? I have been using this phone for a full day now, and I realized that the phone was only hot on the back because of the transportation that it just went through. I don't know where it came from. I think maybe Texas or something, to the point where I'm like, oh, it was extremely hot on the truck, in the box, just in transit, and then it's 90 degrees in New Jersey. I've had this phone for about a month now. I haven't really experienced any issues. That cell phone worked out really well for me. It was great. I liked it. It served its purpose as a cell phone. And when the time came to purchase the iPhone 12, I was very excited and I decided to purchase it used on Gazelle. So this is the phone. I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max, I think that's what it's called. It came in a perfect box. This is the box that it came in. They basically say thank you for purchasing, and it's really protected in here. They give you a charger and everything. It's really great, and I am very happy with my new phone. The only thing is that you have to pay upfront in full, as opposed to on Verizon where you can pay monthly. I would say that's the only negative thing, but it's very simple, straightforward. I feel like this is the dumbest video just because I'm saying oh yeah, I really liked Gazelle. Gazelle is great for me. In terms of returning my other phone that I purchased from Gazelle, sending it back, all you have to do is click sell instead of buy when you go on the website. Tell them what carrier you use. So I use Verizon. Tell them what cell phone you have, and then you just have to print out the label that they send you, and then you just send it back. It's that simple. So I chose the option to get a check in the mail in 10 days, so hopefully I'll be receiving that soon. Yeah, this is basically me telling you that Gazelle is legit, and I actually had a good experience with Gazelle, and my cell phone works just fine. Thank God for my OtterBox. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If it was useful at all, which I don't know if it was, but if it was, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to see more videos from this face. Bye, bye. This is crooked, it's fine. Okay, so good. I was interested. You know what? I'm just gonna cut right to the chase and tell you that